Hey guys, welcome back to my garage. This time around with the Aprilia Tuono 1100 V4 RR. No, Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 RR. Yes, we're gonna finish what I started a few months ago. We're gonna remove the red sticker over here. We're gonna replace it with this 2019 sticker up front. At first I'm gonna leave some stripes and nothing. Let's see how it goes. Enough of the chit chat. Let's get on it. Alrighty then, time to put the sticker on it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this here. Try to leave those two stripes, top and bottom. First thing to do is figure out how can I cut those stripes. What I'm afraid of is that when I cut over here, I go too deep with the X-Acto knife and scratch the bottom part. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna trace a line with a pencil. This is gonna be hard. I wanna try to make it look like it came that way from the factory. The sticker is literally breaking in little bitty pieces. This is gonna take a while. I'll catch you guys when I'm done with it. The top came out, it came out pretty good, really good actually. It's very, almost perfect, or almost a perfect stripe. The bottom, it was, I don't know, curvy, complicated, it just wouldn't come out, so I put it away. And there was an unexpected surprise under the sticker. Stay tuned until the end of the video. I'll tell you what happened, but took a little bit more work to get the bike ready. And now it's time to put the sticker on. So the sticker is gonna go like this, and I'm gonna use the stripe to line up the sticker properly. So let's give it a try and finger crossed.
2 hours later.
So far so good. It looks good, but we don't have time to be chit-chatting right now. I'm gonna move on to the other side, finger crossed. On the other side, there is not the same problem I found on this side, but catch up in a minute.
1 eternity later.
So we are done with the Aprilia today. The stickers are on, and I do really like the red stripe up front. It came out way better than I thought it would. Somehow my hand was steady enough to make a straight cut without cutting the bottom side. In the end, I ended up not putting the lower stripe on down here for two reasons. First of all, it peeled off not quite good enough to stay. Second, on the left hand side, the P of Aprilia actually comes down where that red stripe is supposed to be. So red stripe in the bottom, gone. I think it looks unique for what I've seen out there, and I like it very much. But you'll be the judge of that. If you like it, give me a thumbs up and let me know why you like it. If you don't like it, give me a thumbs down, and even more, let me know why you don't like it. As I said, when I removed the sticker from the right hand side, underneath there was a surprise. It was actually scratched up vertically and horizontally, but the real surprise was when I moved on to the left side. The left side was even worse than the right side. The left side was buffed up completely. Lots of polish, lots of elbow grease, and lots of cotton swab. I got there with polishing compound and I managed to make it look decent. I'm assuming the guy on the left side, when they were assembling the bike, had a heavier hand and buff it up, or the guy on the left side actually did what he was supposed to do and buff it up completely, while the guy on the right hand side was busy updating his Facebook status or something, so it just gave it 2 hits. So if you remove those stickers, beware that it might be buffed out underneath. It's not gonna be the mirror shiny surface that you're expecting. Now, if you already pulled the stickers and your bike actually was nice and shiny, like I thought it would be, leave a comment below, let me know. Let me know if I'm the only one unlucky enough to get the one with the scratches on the side panels. Get yourself one of those fantastic V4 shirts. For everything I used in this video, check the description down below. And as always, if you guys liked the video, like. If you loved the video, subscribe. For more Aprilia, stay tuned, work on your bike, and I'll see you next time.